Everybody, and thank you for tuning in to another how-to video by Taylor. And today we're going to be replacing this sink sprayer. It has a leak right here and this handle is broken. So we're going to show you how to replace that real quick.
A washer, usually a plastic washer, underneath the sprayer that's holding it to the sink itself. And so from underneath the sink you'll need to unscrew that. Alright, we've got that off. What to do is turn off your water supply to the kitchen sink. This is the hot happens to be in this house. Turn it to the right, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Do it on the other one as well. And I've already turned these. I'm just pointing it out to you. Turn off your hot and cold water supply underneath the sink. If you don't have these shut-off valves here, you need to do it at your main shut-off, either inside your house or at the street level. Water has to be turned off to the sink in order to do the next step. Okay, next you'll want to unscrew the sprayer, from this hose. There'll be a little rubber gasket. Take that off, and that leaves you with a little metal clip here. You need to get a plier to a needle nose plier to grab a hold of that and take this little metal clip off. That was tricky. That was the most challenging part of this. This little clip was right here. What I ended up doing was getting a flathead screwdriver and prying this out of its groove just slightly. And then once it was out of its groove, I was able to use these needle nose, now this is a vise needle nose, to grab a hold of that piece and pull it out. But yeah, just for your average person, that's going to be a little tricky. Okay, once you have the hose free like this, you're going to take the top piece that goes on the top of the sink and put your hose through that. That'll slide into the hole. And then that big washer that we unscrewed before from the bottom of the sink, you're going to screw that back underneath the sink. So again, this might be a two-person job where somebody holds this hose so it doesn't fall through the sink, or lightly grab onto it with a vice grip plier. Next we're going to take the tube here, the hose, and put the new nut on there. Just push it all the way through. That partially comes out, and you'll need to get the clip, the new clip that came with it, and fasten it on there. So looks like it goes, get a little light on that. Yeah, it looks like it goes right here. So there's a little groove that it just slides into. Takes a little persuasion. There we go. And so there's your clip that's going to hold it in place. Metal clip is, first you want to put on the thin plastic washer over this. Then it'll come with a thicker rubber washer. Put that over. push that into place. Hold it in place. Once you have both those washers in place, take the sprayer and thread that in. Thread that onto the nut. And we should be good to go. Let's test it out. We want to so here's for our test. We have the cold water running and put the sprayer here. Alright, it's working. So the sprayer works. Doesn't have any leaks there in the handle anywhere. And you want to check to make sure it doesn't have any leaks down below either, where you screwed it into the bottom of the middle of the faucet here under the sink. And if you have no leaks, then you're ready to go. Problem solved, and you have your new sprayer. Thank you for watching another how-to video by Taylor. And check out some of my other videos on my channel, How To by Taylor, and Facebook page with the same name. Have a good day.